Another sign that summer has come to an end. The last outdoor warning siren test of the year happens tomorrow.
In Ottawa County, the people in charge of setting off those sirens want you to think beyond the weather when you hear them. Here's News 8's Joe LaFurgey.
Severe weather isn't the only thing that those emergency sirens can warn you about. Tomorrow, Ottawa County emergency management officials want you to think about hazardous chemical spills. In August of 2021, a leak at Vertellus Chemical in Zeeland results in a shelter-in-place order for some nearby neighbors. Today, company officials tell us they've taken steps to make sure it won't happen again, but they're not the only chemical producers in Ottawa County.
We have chemicals that are made in our county. We have a lot of them that come across our roads and rails, and we have a lot of agriculture and food processing industry in Ottawa County that uses a lot of anhydrous ammonia and other chemicals too.
So Friday at noon, when what many consider the severe weather sirens sound, county emergency management officials want you to think about another hazard.
Think chemical emergency and what you would do in that situation.
It's part of a larger public education push by Ottawa County Emergency Management to prepare people for hazardous chemical situations.
It may or may not be visible, and it's going to be largely dependent on how fast that spreads. It could be wind direction, it could be wind speed. We know that in that situation there's going to be very little time, and we need people to know what to do.
First, check local media sources for details on exactly what's happening. Telling people what to do when the sirens sound for a chemical emergency is one thing. Showing them what to do is another.
Throughout Ottawa County, these sirens are used to warn the public.
So for those chemical emergencies, what to do videos for homes, schools, and businesses have been added to the emergency management section of the county website. Things like moving to an interior room, shutting doors and windows, turning off air conditioners, furnaces, and other air handling systems, and sealing off windows and door jambs.
And what we want people to do is either develop a plan and know what they're going to do in that situation, or actually practice it.
We have links to those what to do videos as well as other information at woodtv.com. In West Olive, Joe LaFurgey, News 8.